Good evening. My name is Christopher Anderson, and today we're going to be doing discussion number three. Discussion number three, this question is suppose a hypothetical employee starts working in year one at a salary of $50,000 per year. Assume each year her salary increases by approximately 5%. For that one question, we're going to answer additional five questions, which are: one, create a table which shows her salary for the next 20 years. Two, create a scatter plot of salary versus year with the least squares regression line. Three, find the R squared for the data, which is also called the coefficient of determination. Four, find what percent of the variation in salary is explained by year. And five, determine if there's a strong linear relationship between year and salary. In order to build the table, you must understand the given facts. The initial year salary was $50,000, and the amount increase every year is going to be an additional 5%. We can use this information to understand the following, and there's going to be, for example, the year two salary is going to be the year one salary times the yearly increase plus the year one salary, and you're going to get $50,000 times 0.05 plus 50,000, which is going to give you a year two salary of $52,500. And here you can see here goes the table for the next 20 years. And then, as you can see, year two, like we said, is a salary of $52,500. And for example, let's go to the next year. Year three is basically going to be $52,500 times 0.05 plus 50,000, and for that one, you're going to get $55,125. Simple. For question number two, we're going to create the scatter plot, and remember, we're going to create it with the least squares regression line, and that line is the line that summarizes the relationship between the two variables x and y. And we're going to use the x-axis to relate the salary, and the y-axis to relate the year. Correction, we're going to use the y-axis to relate the salary and the x-axis to relate the year. And here you can see our scatter plot. On the y-axis you have the salary, the x-axis you have the year, and as you can see, our first point starts at 52,500, and our next point yes, and like I said, our next point is $52,625 dollars. And as you can see, we have the positive line right there, the line of regression, and overall, this scatter plot is just a graph to show the positive correlation between the salary and the year. And next, we're gonna for number three, we're gonna find the R squared for the data, and basically we'll go over the x and y values real quick. The sum of x is 210, gives you a mean of 10.5, and s of x equals 5.9. For the y values, we got the sum of y is $1,653,297.71. The mean of y is going to be 82,664.9, and s of y is going to be 23,672.3.